say good morning? Can you say good morning? Yeah. You slept through the night, didn't you? I'm so happy. I'm so happy you slept through the night. Do you want to say anything to Nana and Papa? Can you tell them you can't wait to see them? 'Cause we're gonna go visit. We're gonna go visit them. Yeah. Yeah, what do you think about that? Would it be fun? You could see all my friends. Yeah. You say, I'll see you soon. Love you.